On July 6th, 2023, I was awarded a certificate by Coursera for completing the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce course. It was a practical course that opened my eyes into the digital marketing space. The course has 7 modules. After completion, I realized that I had already been active in some digital marketing activities. I had been blogging since 2006, running a number of social media pages and more. Now, this is advice I want to give about the digital marketing promos that are flooding the internet and social media these days. Please, before you invest your money, please take note of the following. It's just 3 points. Number 1, digital marketing will not help you in any way if you don't have a product or service to sell. It therefore means that the starting point is to have something to sell before you can buy a program. Rather, if you are selling digital marketing as a product, then that's your product. Number 2, there is no shortcut with digital marketing. You must be diligent about your strategy. You must monitor its rollout and progress and do some assessments to be informed of the appropriate next action. Number 3, digital marketing will only work with the right target market. So even if you have a product or service to sell, but if you are not selling to the right person, to the right group, target market, then it won't work for you. Now, you can only reach out to people who not only have digital gadgets, but these people must also have access to the internet. And therefore, not all products can benefit from digital marketing initiatives. Now that is where freelancing comes relevant. Just as I already have said it, before you can apply your digital marketing skills or acquire a digital marketing program, have a product or service to sell. This is where we come in as freelancers, which is an open market for everyone. I invite you to join the free course on the 25th of August. It's 23rd of August, where you will get to learn of digital products and services that you may offer to the global market and get paid. And then that is called freelancing. Then your digital marketing program and digital marketing skills will be put to good use and increase your chance of selling that product or service and making money. Just send me an email to admin@freelancinginafrica.com, admin@freelancinginafrica.com, and I will send you the meeting link. This meeting will be virtual, so everyone is welcome to join this meeting. See you then.